If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you create and save custom actions to automate routine or time-consuming tasks in your workflow. To create a custom action in Acrobat, open a PDF and click the All Tools link in the top bar of the PDF, and, if needed, click the View More link at the bottom of the All Tools panel to expand it. Then click the Use Guided Actions link in the All Tools panel to show the Use Guided Actions panel. Click the Actions button in the Add and Manage section of this panel, and then select the New Action command to open the Create New Action dialog box. The tools you can add to the custom action appear by category in the Choose Tools to Add pane at the left side of the dialog box. To expand and collapse the tools in a category, click it. To add a tool from an expanded category, click it, and then click the Add to Right-Hand pane button between the two panes to add the selected step to your action shown in the Action Steps to Show pane at the right side of the dialog box. If desired and if available, to specify settings for many of the tools you add, click the Specify Settings link in the Action Step to Show pane to open a dialog box where you can specify the action settings. Alternatively, to let users specify the settings when running the action, ensure the Prompt User checkbox is checked. The buttons at the right side of the Create New Action dialog box let you add panels, instructions, and dividers to the action if needed. Note that after adding instructions, selecting the Pause checkbox that appears adds a Click to Proceed button the user must click to continue the action when they later run it. To reorder or delete selected items in the Action Steps to Show pane, click the Move Up and Move Down button or the Remove button, respectively. To save the custom action, click the Save button to open the Save Action dialog box, enter a name and a description for the action, and then click the Save button to then save the custom action into the Actions list in the Use Guided Actions panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.